You grab your phone to order food, and magically a robot voice asks what you want. You watch a movie, and the voices sound so real, you forget they're not human anymore. Robots and computers are taking over jobs everywhere, and it's happening faster than you can say artificial intelligence. Today, I'll explain which jobs robots have already stolen, which ones they're about to snatch up, and the few special jobs that humans will always keep, like you're 5 years old. Let's start with the jobs that are already gone. Remember when we used to go to the bank and talk to a nice person behind a window? Well, now there's a machine in the wall that gives you money. It's called an ATM, and it replaced a lot of bank workers called tellers. These machines can count money way better than humans. They never get tired, and they don't need lunch breaks or vacation days. They just sit there, ready to spit out your allowance money whenever you need it. Factory workers got replaced as well, but this happened a long time ago, even before your parents were born. Imagine a huge room where people used to stand in lines, putting the same screw in the same hole all day long. Now, robot arms do that job. These robot arms are like super strong, super precise metal people that never get bored and never make mistakes. They can work in the dark, in the heat, in the cold, and they never complain about their back hurting. One robot arm can do the work of 10 people, and it can work all day and all night without stopping. Telephone operators used to connect your phone calls. When your grandma wanted to call someone, she would pick up the phone and talk to a real person who would plug wires into a big board and connect the call to you. Now, computers do all that connecting automatically. You just press buttons and the computer figures out where your call should go. No human needed. Gas stations used to have people who would come out, pump your gas, check your oil, and clean your windshield. Now, you just do it all yourself, or in some places, a machine still does it for you. The computer inside the gas pump is smart enough to know when your tank is full and when to stop pumping. It can even take your credit card and give you a receipt. Movie theaters had people who would take tickets and rip them in half. Now, you just scan a code on your phone and a little gate opens to let you through. The computer knows if your ticket is real and if you're going to the right movie. No person needed to stand there and check every single ticket. So, what jobs are about to disappear next? Well, get ready, because this list might surprise you. Truck drivers are probably going to be replaced with self-driving trucks. Right now, there are already trucks that can drive themselves on highways. They use cameras and sensors to see the road, other cars, and even obstacles. They don't get sleepy, they never text while driving, and they definitely don't ever have to stop for bathroom breaks. These robot trucks are actually safer than human drivers because they pay attention to everything all the time. Cashiers at stores have already begun disappearing. I mean, you've probably seen those little self-checkout machines where you just scan your own groceries. But soon, stores won't even need those. There are already stores in use where you just walk in, take what you want, and walk out. Cameras and sensors watch everything that you pick up, and the computer automatically charges your phone for what you took. No checkout at all. Fast food workers are getting replaced by robots that can flip burgers and make fries. These robots know exactly how long to cook everything. They never burn the food, and they never forget to add the pickles. Some restaurants already have robot arms making pizza, and they're faster and more consistent than any human pizza makers that I've seen. Accountants and bookkeepers are being replaced by computer programs that can look at all of your money coming in and going out, organize it, and then even do your taxes. These programs never make math mistakes. They know all the tax rules and they can work on thousands of tax returns at the same time. Radiologists are doctors who look at x-rays and MRI scans to find broken bones or diseases. But now, artificial intelligence can look at these pictures and spot problems that even experienced doctors might miss. The AI never gets tired looking at scan after scan, and it can compare your x-ray to millions of other x-rays that it's seen before. Customer service representatives who answer phones and chat online are already being replaced by chatbots. These are little computer programs that can understand what you're asking for and give you helpful answers. And they are available 24 hours a day. They don't have a bad day, and they can help thousands of people all at the same time. Travel agents used to help people plan vacations and book flights, but now websites and apps do all that work. The computers just research millions of flights and hotels in seconds and find you the best deals. It knows all the airline rules, it knows all the hotel amenities, and it never forgets to send you your confirmation email. News reporters are also being replaced by AI that can write news stories. When a sports game ends, artificial intelligence can immediately write an article about who won, what the score was, and what the key plays were. It can write these articles faster than any human reporter and never make spelling mistakes. Even some lawyers are being replaced by AI that can read through thousands of legal documents to find important information. Instead of a human lawyer spending weeks of reading contracts, the AI can do it in minutes and then highlight all the important parts. But here's the really important part. There are some jobs that robots and AI will never be able to do, no matter how smart they get. And these are the jobs that require something special that only humans have. First, jobs that need real human creativity and imagination will always belong to humans. Artists who paint pictures, musicians who write songs, and writers who create stories use their feelings, experiences, and imagination in ways that computers just can't copy. A robot might be able to paint a nice picture, but it can't paint a picture that comes from heartbreak or joy or a memory of summer camp. Humans create art that means something because it comes from real human experiences. Teachers will always be needed because learning isn't just about getting information into your brain. It's about having somebody who cares about you, understands when you're confused, and knows how to explain things in different ways until you get it. A good teacher can tell when you're having a bad day and when you need encouragement, or when you're excited and ready for a bigger challenge. Robots can give you facts, but they can't give you the kind of support and understanding that help you really learn and grow. Therapists and counselors will always be human jobs because people need to talk to somebody who really understands feelings. When you're sad or scared or angry, you need somebody who has felt those same feelings and can help you figure out what to do. A robot might be able to give you some advice from a book, but it can't truly understand what it feels like to be disappointed or excited or worried. Nurses and caregivers will always be human because taking care of sick people isn't just about giving medicine or checking temperature. It's about holding someone's hand when they're scared, giving hugs when someone is sad, and knowing just the right thing to say to make someone feel better. Robots can help with some medical tasks, but they can't provide the comfort and compassion that humans need when they're not feeling well. Emergency responders like firefighters, police officers, and paramedics will always be human jobs because these situations require quick thinking, bravery, and the ability to make difficult decisions in scary situations. When there's a fire or an accident, people need someone who can think creatively, take risks to help others, and provide comfort in frightening moments. Jobs that require building trust and relationships with people will stay human as well. Real estate agents, wedding planners, and funeral directors help people through some of the most important moments in their lives. People want to work with someone that they trust, someone who understands their feelings, and somebody who can adapt when things don't go as planned. Skilled trades like plumbing, electrical work, and carpentry will also likely remain human jobs because every house and every problem is different. A plumber might go to 10 different houses in one day, and each one has different pipes, different problems, and different challenges. These jobs require creativity, problem solving, and the ability to work with your hands in ways that are hard for robots to copy. Chefs and high-end cooks will always be human because cooking at the highest level is an art form. Yes, robots can flip burgers and make fries, but creating new recipes, adjusting flavors, and making food that not only tastes good but makes people feel happy requires creativity, intuition, and understanding of human emotions that robots don't have. Research scientists will remain because discovering new things requires curiosity, creativity, and the ability to ask questions that no one has thought of before. Scientists need to look at problems in new ways, come up with creative experiments, and make connections that aren't obvious. While AI can help analyze data, humans are needed to decide what questions to ask and what the results actually mean. Social workers can help families and children who are going through difficult times. This job requires understanding complex human situations, building trust with people who might be scared or angry, and finding creative solutions to help families stay together and be safe. Every family's situation is different, and it takes human judgment, empathy, and flexibility to know how to help. The jobs that will always belong to humans are the ones that require emotional intelligence, creativity, complex problem solving, physical dexterity in unpredictable environments, and the ability to build meaningful relationships with other people. These are the uniquely human skills that make us special and irreplaceable. But here's something important to remember. Just because robots are taking over some jobs doesn't mean that all humans will be out of work. Throughout history, when new technology eliminated some jobs, it's always created new ones. When cars replaced horses, we didn't need as many people to take care of horses, but we did need people to build cars, fix cars, and design better cars. When computers became popular, we needed people to program them, repair them, and teach others how to use them. The same thing is happening now with AI and robots. We need people to build these robots, program the artificial intelligence, and maintain all these new machines. We need people to decide how to use this technology responsibly and fairly. We need people to teach others how to work alongside AI and robots. The key for humans is to focus on developing the skills that robots can't replicate. Creativity, emotional intelligence, complex problem solving, and the ability to work well with other people. Instead of competing with robots at tasks that they're better at, like calculating numbers or remembering lots of information, humans should focus on the things we're naturally better at, like understanding feelings, coming up with new ideas, and caring for each other. So, let's recap this whole robot takeover situation. AI and robots have already replaced jobs that involve repetitive tasks, simple calculations, and following basic rules like bank tellers, factory workers, and telephone operators. They're about to replace jobs that involve pattern recognition, data analysis, and predictable physical tasks like truck drivers, radiologists, and many cashiers. But they'll never replace jobs that require genuine creativity, emotional intelligence, complex human relationships, and adaptable problem solving in unpredictable situations. Now go forth and develop those uniquely human superpowers. The robots may be coming, but they'll never be able to give a hug quite like you can.